How to fix Share My Location No Active Device. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of Share My Location No Active Device on your phone. So to do that, just scroll on the notification bar up there, tap on the gear option, which is the option of settings, and scroll down and tap on the location option just below the privacy. Make sure you have given the all permissions and also you have just allowed everything right here, and you have also given the location access, and you have shared the location via Google or on, and also turn the location access on your phone. If you have done so, then this should show the location on your phone, but sometimes it is not so because the Wi-Fi might not be stable. So what you can simply do is turn your Wi-Fi off and turn your data on if the Wi-Fi is not stable. But if it is stable, then you can simply try to reboot your phone, either it is iPhone or Android, because this might be the problem of your phone also, so that it is not showing the location on your phone. Because if you reboot the phone, then it will be cleared and also it will be new and all the functions will be worked very properly. And after you do that, you can simply go on the settings part again after you reboot your phone, and again go on the location option, and then make sure you have given all the permissions and then accessed. Just tap allowed on the access option of location and also shared your location on your phone. So doing this, you might have solved your problem this way. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.